Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 366. Here we have the arm with the original sleeve having been removed and the original outer metal casing still within the arm. Clean this out thoroughly before installing the new bushing. Lubricate the inner as well as the outer part of the new bushing before installing into the arm. Tap the bushing in with the rubber mallet, and then you tap the sleeve in with the rubber mallet as well. And there you have our installed PSB 366 bushing.